let's go take a look at what our work involves for basically applying NTCs first. Alright, so at the front, we're going to apply NTCs to these bolts over here, or where the nuts are, but I'm trying to basically penetrate the entire bolts. There would be another one that I need to apply over here, the part actually that holds the brake line, but I can't get to it right now, so I'll probably do it when the wheel is off. And to this side, what do I have to do? Okay, I don't know if you can see clearly. It's basically up here, this piece. This bolt that holds onto the rod that connects to the sway bar. I need to apply some NTCs on that part also. And before applying anything, I'm going to have to basically seal off this section so that the spray does not get onto the brake assembly, because it's supposed to be very slippery. So let's get to it.
So here is Blaster PB is basically used to penetrate, I guess, rusted bolts and stuff. So I'm going to be using this to help loosen some of the nuts and bolts on the suspension assembly.
All right, here we go. All covered up. Okay, the other part is sneaking my hand in here. I hope you guys can see this. If I didn't cover it, it would have been all over the place. And moving on to this side, hard to see. For the rear is simpler. It's really just these ones connect to the control arm, because I think I would have to lower the control arm to remove the rear shock. Or the rear strut. Yep, it seems like it. So I'll cover it up first and then actually do these three.
Alright everyone, now that we've let the PB Blaster or the Blaster PB soak in overnight, I think I'm ready to actually start the coilover work. But before that, let's make sure I have everything inside the box of tin coilover. Let's do the unboxing together right here. It is a pretty sturdy package they got over here. Alright, here they are. Tin coilovers. Here's one of them. I better lay them down on the board. Okay. So that's one assembly. That was a rear. This should be the front, based on how it's constructed. And the top hat. Here I got some hardware, the wrench to adjust height, and this little hex key to actually tune the knob on the shock setting. Wow, these are some really heavy-duty cardboards. Doubly corrugated cardboards they got protecting the coilovers. Third piece. And the final rear assembly. So overall, let's take a look. I would say the construction is really good.
So one thing I do have to do is actually make sure I know how to set the correct height before installing these. I mean, I could do it after, but why not do it before? And here's the adjustment. All right, let's get to work. Alright guys, now that we got the entire car on jack stand, let's get to work and get the wheels off first. I'm going to start off with the front. took forever to get this off. Thanks God for the vice grip trick of basically, you see, it's grabbing onto the middle ring so that the ball joint bolt doesn't keep moving. Oh man. Okay, because the end link, nut and bolts are pretty seized on my factory GR86. I actually couldn't take this one off. Plus, after lowering the car, I gotta actually use a shorter end links on the front anyways. So I got these today. Godspeed. Adjustable end links. So let's go put them on. this.